All right, it's April 13th, 2020. First of all, I hope everybody's safe. Today we are going to check out the Philips Norelco OneBlade. My old razor broke not too long ago, and I did a bunch of research and watched a bunch of other reviews and decided to get this one. It was $37.40. I ordered it on Amazon, and we're gonna open it up and charge it up and give it a test, see how it does. I haven't shaved in about, I'd say, maybe 2 weeks, which is about normal for me, and I have really sensitive skin and often break out from shaving, so I try to limit it and try to find something that limits sort of my breakout. So we're going to give this a shot, see how it does. We're going to go ahead and open it now. All right, cool. And as you can see, I've got my camera glasses on because when we shave, I thought it'd be the best way so I can have my hands free. So we're going to go ahead and open this now, if we can. All right, and there it is. There's our manual. Comes with some guides. Seams. Charger. I'm hitting the bed. Discount on replacement blades. Damn, I'm nervous about breaking this damn thing. And there it is. And it turns on right out of the gate without having to charge it. All right. Well, there it is. We're going to give it a little bit of a charge. See how this goes. All right. And that seems like it's the protective cover for the blade when you're traveling. All right, we're going to cut the tape here and charge it up and give it a spin. All right. All right, so after a quick shave, we're back here, and I have to say that I thought it did a great job. Compared to my other razor, which was old, I feel like I got a much closer shave. It's more powerful and was more comfortable for me. The razor didn't have trouble fighting the hair as much. And I think every razor takes a little while to get used to, but for the first time, I'd say that I'm really happy with it. The only thing I would say that took me a second was that the charging indicator is actually not on the razor. It is on the part of the charger that you plug in. So if you're looking for, is it charged? Is it not charged? I know it's not a big deal, but that's on the base of the charger. So anyway, so far I'm really happy with it for $37 or whatever it was. Much better than my older razor, much happier with it. Might do an update once I have to buy a new blade or try some of the guides, but so far the Philips Norelco, much better than my older razor, the Philips Norelco OneBlade. All right, talk to you guys later.